Ready for dictation? Start. This appeal is directed against the order dated 6/12/2006 passed by the learned single judge of the Kerala High Court, whereby the learned single judge has rejected the election petition filed by the appellant on the preliminary objection raised by the respondent that affidavit in form number 25 was not affirmed. As such, the affirmation was not duly certified as per law, nor did it disclose its source of information. Stop. It was also observed that despite the fact that objections were taken and the defects could have been cured, no steps were taken to remove these defects. Stop. Hence, learned single judge dismissed the election petition as it was not properly affirmed as under sections 83 and 85 of the Representation of the People Act 1951 bracketed herein after to be referred to as the Act of 1951 bracket close read with Rule 94A of the Conduct of Election Rules 1961 bracket herein after to be referred to as the Rules of 1961 bracket close para. 3 facts which are necessary for disposal of this appeal are that an election was held on 29/4/2006 to the Kerala Legislative Assembly from number 67 Condicular Assembly constituency. Stop. It was alleged in the election petition filed by the appellant that the election be declared void on the ground of corrupt practice committed either by the respondent's election agent or by some other person with the consent of the respondent or his election agent. Stop. The election petition was registered and notice was issued. Stop. The respondent was the elected candidate and he raised a preliminary objection on the maintainability of the election petition. Stop. The preliminary objections were that the affidavit in form 25 was not affirmed. As such, the affirmation was not duly certified. The verification of the election petition was defective. The sources of information as regards the allegations of corrupt practices of which the appellant did not have personal knowledge. The allegations in the election petition were vague and lacked pleadings as regards the material particulars. Stop. It was contended by the petitioner appellant in bracket herein that there were no illegality in the verification nor the affidavit in form number 25 was defective. Stop. It was submitted that the accusations were specific and they were not vague and the facts mentioned in the election petition were duly sworn by proper affidavit. Stop. Para. The first preliminary objection was upheld by learned single judge that the affidavit which has been filed along with the election petition was not duly verified and the affidavit was not in the form as required under form number 25 nor was it in conformity with section 83 of the Act of 1951.